Hi, I am a student at TAMUK, and every student at Texas A&M Kingsville has to do a sexual harassment training. So I would like to show you how and where to get to the sexual harassment training. Once you have logged into your JNet, you then go to Campus Resources. From Campus Resources, you scroll all the way down and you will find your EverFi training right here. Click here to enter EverFi. Once you are logged in, you go down and you are able to pick the sexual assault prevention for undergraduate training, which is mandatory. You begin the class.
This is an exciting time. For many of you, college life offers a new level of personal.
And once you have gone through all the videos, you will have completed the training. Thank you so much for watching me show you how to get to the EverFi sexual harassment training.